Hey everyone, Laura with We Met Wirework here, and it has been a minute since I have actually posted a full-blown project here. So today I am going to show you how to make one of these really pretty little purse charms or backpack charms, or they're super sweet, and they could also be used as just regular key rings as well, because they are on key rings. So I want you to please excuse the condition of my hands. I've been working with chicken wire and painting some projects for students, and sometimes the paint and the dirt just doesn't come off. So please excuse that. So what we're going to use today is a 22 gauge craft wire, but you can use anything as long as it fits through the holes on your beads. Now this one is between my two fingers, so I'm going to guesstimate it's probably about a 5-inch piece of wire, which will be plenty. So taking our jewelry pliers, we're just going to create a little bit of a hook here, like so, and I'm going to grab one of these charms, and this is just a little leaf charms, and I use these in my Tree of Life kits, so I really have quite an abundance of them. As you can see, I chose to use them in these other ones that I had made already, but so they're very lovely, a very cheerful charm, and so I just hooked it on there. And I think because of the color, this is kind of a bronzy color leaf here, I think I'm going to pair it with some of these purple or mauve beads that I have here. I think it's really quite a nice color combination. So first thing we're going to do is pop a little crystal on there. We always want that bling. And then grab a few more beads here, because I think I'm going to go with these ones here. They're almost like a little flower shape. And then pop on a purple one. I've had these square ones kicking around for quite some time. I think they're very cool, but I never really found a use for them. So today we are going to pop them on here. And I do like that it switches up the variety of shapes on this here. So okay, and our last silver one. So looking at that was probably about a minute, right? So next up, we just grab and we just leave a little bit of space between our pliers and our top bead here, and we're just going to kind of fold that over, create a bit of a loop here. Grab one of our key rings and just slide it in there. Sometimes slide is the optimum word, because these can be a bit slippery anytime you're working with beads. All right, so then we're grabbing at the loop. We're taking that tail of wire and we are just wrapping it on. Wrap, 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 till we get down to our top bead. And that's just holding everything firmly in place. And then we take our snips and we just cut it as close to our wrap as possible. Feeling for ends, and actually that is not bad. And there you have it. There you go. There's our pretty little purse charm or backpack charm or key ring, whatever you want to use it for. So all right, thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate you being here, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so that you can see when I do come up with new projects, or even just to watch my shorts, because I'm having a lot of fun with those as well. All right, in the meantime, have a fabulous day, and I will talk to you soon.